To my channel. I'm going to be giving you some information today about affiliate marketing and network marketing, the pros and cons of both, which way you might want to go, which way you would not want to go. And I'm talking to you about it day to day and my journey with affiliate marketing. Network marketing is similar to affiliate marketing in some ways. It's where you need to buy a product, and then you go out and you refer this product to your family and friends, or however you're going to do it. Affiliate marketing is more of you're taking other people's products and you're recommending them, and you don't have to buy the products in order to make a commission on the products. Make that clear. Network marketing, you have to buy the product in order to make a commission on other people buying the product. Affiliate marketing, all you have to do is recommend other people's products or services, and you get a commission from that if they decide to buy it. Now, I tried network marketing years ago, and it wasn't for me. It was, I was talking to people that weren't interested in the product, so I was wasting my time talking to them. I was talking to people that couldn't afford it. I was talking to people that didn't want anything to do with it. And some people I talked to, and they would agree with me just to get me out of their hair. Well, the difference between the network marketing and affiliate marketing is I use ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is kind of set up like network marketing, where you actually have to use the product in order to sell the product. Okay, but they also give you a commission on referring their product. Now, the thing about ClickFunnels is if you're in network marketing and you're wanting to go into affiliate marketing, you can use ClickFunnels for your network marketing business. So if you've already started your network marketing business, you can apply ClickFunnels to your network marketing business, and you can start using that to make money for you. Now, the thing about that is once you get your ClickFunnels set up, okay, it's completely automated. All you do is send people to the website. One of the things about ClickFunnels is, let me rephrase that. If you're talking about network marketing and you have a website, you send people there, and there's all this kinds of information that they have to go through, and they have to find, and they have to search through it, and they got to spend time on your website to find out what they're looking for. With ClickFunnels, the way that it's automated, okay, they will send an email to these people, and it'll be very simple, yes or no questions. Okay, it walks them through the process of selling your product to them. Okay, do you understand that? It walks them through the process. It may take 7 or 8 emails before they actually decide on buying your product. But if you have it set up, you don't have to send that email every day. It's automated. It's already going to happen. Okay, now on my channel, this is my day-to-day. This is what I do every day, okay? And I'm doing it for 90 days. Now, today I'm talking about network marketing. Today, I researched VidQ, which goes on YouTube, and it breaks down search engine optimization. It's all kinds of stuff that you would want to get for YouTube if you want to build a channel or if you want to build a business. So most of today I was looking at that. I also had to finish up a little bit more of my tracking software, which I finally have all done. All my tracking software is done. My ClickFunnels is all set up. The tracking software is done to it so I can follow the tracking, okay? And now I'm working on videos, okay? I just downloaded the other day video editing software, which I'm going to be working on today. So this video hopefully will be better than the other videos were, because I'll be working with the software. It's very interesting to me. Now, one thing I want to say is if you think you're going to get rich overnight with this affiliate marketing, it's not going to happen. Okay, if you think you're going to get rich overnight with network marketing, it's not going to happen. Okay, it takes time to build this stuff. It's a business, okay? It's not an overnight thing. You don't push a button and all of a sudden this money's coming into your bank account. You understand that, okay? You have to work this like a business. You have to have a business mindset, okay? You have to work it consistently. I'm going to say that every day. You have to be consistent. If you can only put an hour in a day, but you put that hour in consistently. Every day you're doing it. Every day you're learning. You're educating yourself. You're becoming better, okay? You're going to build a business. It may take you a while to do that, okay? It may take, I don't know how long it's going to take. For me, I have quit everything, and I'm doing this full time. Every day I'm uploading videos. I'm doing what was told. I have a mentor. My mentor's name is Franklin Hatchett. Okay, in the description below, you can go ahead and click a link, and you will be able to go to ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels will give you a 14-day trial. Okay, it's completely free, and we'll walk you through. My mentor and I will walk you through how ClickFunnels work. Now, the benefit of this is partnering with me and Frank is Franklin and I are going to walk you through this step by step, setting up your ClickFunnels account. Okay, now, and then after it's all set up and it's all ready to go, all you do is drive traffic to your website. All you do is drive traffic to ClickFunnels. Okay, we'll show you how to do that through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, however you want to do that. Find the platform that's comfortable for you. Okay, I am doing YouTube videos. I'm doing them on every day for the next 90 days to see what happens. If you like the content that's in this video, please hit the thumbs up button. There's a bell you can ring, and subscribe and follow me. I mean, see what happens. What's the worst that's going to happen? Not a whole lot, because I'm doing this. I'm making this journey. I'm going to do this. It's going to work for me. But to get back to ClickFunnels, okay? ClickFunnels on network marketing. You have to see which one is going to be best for you. I decided to go with the affiliate marketing, and that's with ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels has an affiliate program. So everybody who joins ClickFunnels, I get a percentage of that. So it's similar to network marketing, but the difference is you can use ClickFunnels to promote your network marketing business. And as you're promoting your network marketing business, you can have your downline get into ClickFunnels to help them promote their network marketing business, and you get a commission on it. So help out your downline by showing them how to do it and what they can do. Okay, this was my little tutorial on network marketing and ClickFunnels. Okay, affiliate marketing, I'm referring products to people. Right now, the product that I'm working on is ClickFunnels because I see the potential in it. So see you guys tomorrow.